Alright, I thought I was all ready to set up and go for a little trip, but there's a few glitches. One, because there is, this is hooked up to the little rubber dam on my shock seat, it might tear that off. Also, because of the configuration of my bike, big tires, big bracket, this is going to rub in here, I'm pretty sure. So, I'm not ready. So what I'm going to have to do, I've got some options here. My option would be, option number one, would take it all apart and return the trailer back to Amazon. I don't think that's fair. Besides, this is the trailer that we want. Number two, extend this bar or this bar, make it a little longer, a little taller, or somehow add an attachment to it. So I have option three, which is I got another adapter from Amazon, and I'm going to hook that up and try it again. The other thing is that this is going to rub here, and I wanted to put saddlebags on here, and this would rub on the saddlebags and cause some damage either to the saddlebag or tip the trailer over or put some wear and tear on this. So I'm going to go and try the put the adapter on and see how that works. Hang around to the end of the video. We'll show you it working, and we'll take it for a little tootle and test it out, take it, see how it works, how it handles, so hang in. Right, so I've got the new attachment put on. It does make it stand away from the bike a little bit more than before. I'm hoping that's not going to create a problem. So we'll just take a close look at this. So one advantage is this has a tether, so if it does come loose, then I've got a tether to hold it in place. We'll go around to the other side. And you can see that the attachment is by a screw link, and it goes onto here. It looks like it's pretty solid. We still have the spring effect here. I think it's going to be okay. So what I'm going to do is get my lovely assistant to come over and roll it around, and we'll just take a look at it. Hi, lovely assistant. Doesn't seem to bind. We'll have to make sure we don't cut corners with it, that's for sure. All right, looking good. All right, we're in the alleyway, and we're going, heading down the alley. The trailer is a little noisy, a little jangly. That rear gate seems to jump around a little bit. We can probably fix that up with a bungee cord or whatever. Seems to trail well behind the bike, takes bumps well. It can take up to 88 pounds and probably ride a little less bumpy if you had some weight in it. 16-inch wheels make sure that you can jump over obstacles fairly good. It should be able to take the weight well. Seems to turn well and follow the bike good. Oops, left the keys in the battery. All right, we're off and running again.
Seems to stream well, and on smoother roads it doesn't bump so much or make so many rattling noises. She's going to do a U-turn and just to see how sharp she can turn. Yeah, all works well. Now these streets are pretty rough. They've been dug across so many times to put in infills. There's a bump every 20 feet or so. I think the rattling should give an early warning to pedestrians and other people. Okay, up. Okay, rides up on the curve fairly good. Yeah, wraps down pretty good as well. Again, like we're having a microphone problem. We can't hear each other. So just stop and fix that. All right, off and running again. So she's going a little bit faster than we were before. It seems to be handles well even at 20 kilometers an hour. I don't think I'd want to go much faster than that. And the pathway's speed limits are 20 kilometers an hour, so we shouldn't be going any faster. We're going to see if we can find a back alley that's paved. Here we go. I'm going to do a brake test, a hard brake test. Goes around that corner nicely. So she's going to take it up to a good speed. Well, it seems to stop really well. No bucking or fishtailing or anything like that. We're off again. Well, it doesn't seem to affect the turning radius of the bike so much. There might be a little bit different if there's something in the center there, but it seems to work well. Stop for an adjustment, and we're off. We're heading home. Clouds are coming in, so probably a good time to head home. In the comments below, you'll see I'll put the trailer and the attachment that we got from Amazon. I'm also an affiliate vidIQ person. I'll put my URL down there as well. So if you're starting a channel or building a channel, you can try vidIQ for free. Use my URL, and eventually I might be able to get some money out of it. But that's not important. vidIQ has really helped me to spice up my videos and make them look better. It takes all the guesswork out of it. It's quite nice. So as far as I can see, this trailer is a keeper. I don't know what it's going to be like when we're adding a little bit more weight to it, but I can't see it being too bad. You might get a little bit of drag. Hey, a chip truck in the northwest. Wow, that's good to see. We stopped and yacked at him, found out where he's going to be. Chips, poutine. And we're going to get home before that storm comes in, get the bikes put away and everything. Hey, if you like this video, hit the like and the subscribe and the notification bell. It helps me grow my channel. I do a lot of this, the bike trails, anything biking, that kind of thing. I do the reviews as well to fill in at the winter time. But I've enjoyed this. I enjoyed putting the trailer together. It was about $159 from Amazon. Good buy, and I'm pretty sure that we will make a good use of that. We plan on doing our shopping with it, say once a month, maybe twice a month, and it'll just bring our trips down. That we're not always overloading the bike saddlebags, etc. So we're heading home, proper signal and everything like that. We didn't stop, but whatever. Anyhow, thank you so much for watching this video. Please come back, check out my channel. It would be really nice. Hit the like, subscribe, send any comments. I love comments. I'll answer your comments wherever possible. And you have a great day. Thank you.